Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. In the last class, already we have completed the nearly some of the two problems regarding the simple interest. But in the today's class, we are going to continue the remaining problems in the simple interest. Now, look at the sixth problem here. A man borrows rupees 20,000 for the house maintenance, which is given by him in 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum. What is the total amount paid by him after 2 years? What is the amount paid by him after 2 years? What is the question here? A man borrows 20,000. A man borrows, that means man brings the 20,000 rupees from any others to maintain the house, to maintenance of the house, which is given by him in 2 years, which is given by him 2 years, and at the rate of interest of 10% per annum. And they ask us to find the what is the total amount paid by him after 2 years. Now, solution is, they have given principal. What is the principal they have given? What is the principal they have given? 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. And they also given the time or duration. Time is equal to 2 years. And they also given the rate of interest. They also given the rate of interest. Rate of interest. What is the rate of interest they given? 10%. 10% they have given the rate of interest. Now, what is the simple interest? Now we have to find the simple interest. PTR by 100. PTR by 100. What is the mean by P? P is equal to principal, T is equal to time, R is equal to rate of interest divided by the 100. Now, what is the P here? 20,000 into what is the T is equal to 2 into what is the R? 10 divided by 100. 2 zeros cancel. 200 into 2 is 400. 400 into 10 is 4,000. 4,000 rupees. Now simple interest is equal to 4,000 rupees. Now you got the simple interest. Now they ask us to find the what is the total amount paid by him after 2 years. Total amount is equal to, you have to find the amount. What is the formula? Principal plus simple interest. Principal plus simple interest. What is the principal they have given here? 20,000 they have given the principal. 20,000 plus what is the simple interest they have given? What do we got the value? Simple interest equal to 4,000. And now 24,000 rupees. Total amount is equal to 24,000 rupees. What is the total? 24,000 is the total amount. What they have given the problem is, a man borrows 20,000 rupees for the house maintenance, which is given by him in 2 years at the rate of interest of 10%. What is the 10% per annum? What is the total amount paid by him after 2 years? Now, already we got the principal, time and the rate of interest. Now, by using the simple interest formula, what is the simple interest formula? PTR by 100. What is the P is equal to 10,000 into what is the time is equal to 2 and rate of interest is equal to 10. If you are making the subtraction of this answer, questions you will get the simple interest is equal to 4,000. Again, we have to find the total amount. We have to find the total amount. Already in the previous class, already we may learn that what is the formula for the amount when they have given the principal and the simple interest. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Now we got the simple interest and also we got the principal. By using the amount formula, what is the amount? Principal plus simple interest. 20,000 plus 4,000, you will get the 24,000. This is the total amount paid by after 2 years. Now look at the seventh problem. Seventh one. Seventh one. find the simple interest of rupees 700 at 4% year of 3 years. Now they ask us to find the directly. Look at the problem here. Find the simple interest of 700 rupees at the 4% interest per year of 3 years. They ask to directly find us the simple interest by giving the principal, time and the rate of interest. We have to find the directly. You have to find the simple interest. Now solution. Principal is equal to, what is the principal they have given? 700 rupees. And what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is equal to 4%. Rate of interest is equal to 4%. Now they also given the time. What is the time they have given? 3 years. 3 years. What is the simple interest formula? PTR by 100. PTR by 100. Now what is the P is equal to 700 into what is the T equal to 3 years into R is equal to 4 divided by 1000. Now here 0 cancels, you will get the 7 into 3 will get the 21 into 4 will get the 84 rupees. You will get the 84 rupees. Simple interest is equal to 84 rupees. Simple interest is equal to 84 rupees. The given problem is find the simple interest of rupees 700 at 4% per year of 3 years. They have given the directly they have given the principal and by giving the rate of interest, and they also given the time or duration. They have given the time or duration. Now they also given the principal, rate and the time. By using the simple interest formula, we are going to solve the given problem. What is the formula for this simple interest? Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. What is the P here? 700 into what is the time is equal to? T is equal to 700. T is equal to 3 years. And rate of interest is equal to 4%. Now if you are making the calculation, you will get the 84 rupees. What is the simple interest you are getting here? 84 rupees. Now this in the today's class we are complete the 2 problems regarding the simple interest and how to find the amount. In the today's class we learnt. In the next class we may continue the remaining problems. Thank you.